My name is Osman Mohammed. I studied at United Science Colleges in Saladin Ayubi Boys High School, and I became the 6th of Kurdistan. First of all, I want to thank my family, friends, and especially my teachers for helping me. Our teachers have been really helpful to us. They worked non-stop and made various programs for us like Zero Mistake and mock exams. They also gave extra lessons on school days after school and on holidays, which were really helpful also. This year, 26 students got into top 10 in our schools. This is a great achievement, and no other school has achieved something like this. No other school has achieved something like this. We have been the first for 22 years, and we are still the first. I want to thank my teachers, family, and friends again. Thank you.